Here's how to delete your Snapchat account. Now, on your iPhone or Android, open up the Snapchat app and tap on that Bitmoji at the top left there to get to your profile. Now, from here, let's tap on this settings icon at the very top right. And the first thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down until you see the option that says My Data and tap on that. Now, if you wanted to download all of your data first, I would highly recommend going through this process and downloading it so you don't lose all of your memories, snaps, chats, all that stuff. Now, let's go back out of here. And now let's scroll up and you'll be able to see right under My Reports is Delete Account. Just tap on that. From here, you can see essentially what it does is it deactivates your account for 30 days and then it will permanently delete it. So enter in your username and your password here, and then just hit that continue button and it will start the deletion process.